I don't know what these things are, but they kind of look like mini bards. Like they do have a coil and a fan here. 8,000 BTU. So they do have refrigerant. Yeah, I don't know what these things are. We have some units. This is a Goodman scroll compressor. 2016. Here. 2017. Lizard. So this is the one of the apartment complexes that I've actually visited, but this is like the back of it. Smart Comfort 2023. I think it's a 5-ton probably. I think that's an LG. It has an LG scroll. It's good. 2014. No, wait, no, 2019. I think, wait, what? I don't know how to read the data on these things. Ow! I have something in my shoe. These two are running. Data sheet is here. 2019. I think it's from 2019. Here's another Goodman. And it has a Compilation scroll compressor. It is from 2019. I think it is a 3-ton, but I don't know. Sweaty, but it's not. I mean, it's cold, but it's not really that sweaty. And I think that'll be all for now. Because, yeah, there's more over there, but I can't get to those. Yeah, here we have some more units. Here we have a Goodman and a Smart Comfort. Not gonna get really close to those. 2012, I think. Yeah, it's hard to get to those ones because they're like, there's this like shrubbery thing here. 2 more Smart Comforts. This one's running. 2012. I think it's from 2012. They're all pretty much the same though. Here's another Smart Comfort and a Goodman. This Goodman might be an older one actually. Not gonna bother getting to that one. I'll go through this one over here. We have 2 more Goodmans. Scroll. 2018, I think 2018. Oh, those are hard to get to though. Got 2 Smart Comforts, both running. I'll get the data on this one, and it's back there. Now I can't really see it. Never mind. Wait, no, it's a Goodman and a Smart Comfort. That one's from 2019, I think. Scroll compressor, 2019. I think they're all the same. I imagine they're all the same. Now there's a Smart Comfort back there. Also a Goodman, 2017, I think. I can't see the compressor on this one. I don't think it has a recip though. Sounds kind of weird. But yeah, there's all of these units around here. There's also 2 more over there. There's those 2 there. I could actually get the data on this one. I can't see the compressor though. I think it's a scroll. 2011. Wait, no, it might have a Bristol actually. No, it has a scroll. Looks like it has a new compressor though. think it was 2011, but I couldn't really tell. It's kind of a risky area. There's like a main road there. See, this one's running super quiet. This one's super quiet. Look at it condensating there. Wow. Here's another one. It's off. There's two more, a Carrier and a Goodman. Don't feel like getting to those because they're like behind a bush. I mean, I could go to these. Yeah, I could go to these ones. 2022. Oh, this is sweating a bit. This one sounds nice. This one sounds kind of weird. And I can't read the data though. It's hard to read. The Carrier sounds nice. Yeah, that one looks brand new. It has like 14.3 SEER, but it's kind of far away. I don't feel like going to it. Here's some more smart comforts. You can go to these ones, I guess. Yeah, I'm assuming that they're brand new though. Those ones are a little bit harder to get to, but I can get to these. These are easy to get to. Goodman running. Blowing off some hot air. Cold and sweaty, nice. Data is really hard to read. This is from 2019. Swell compressor looks kind of weird there. And yeah. This is actually one of the places that I looked at before I moved here. Here we have two more smart comforts back there. You can't really see them. And there's two more. I think these are new ones. This one sounds nice. 20. What? I don't know how to read that. I don't know how to read that. One of them sounds nice though. 2019. I'm assuming that's also 2019. Well, these are pulling off a lot of heat. A lot of heat. Wow. Wait, yeah, I think it was there. I think it got replaced by another one of these smart comforts. There's three more there. Oh man. No, there used to be an older Goodman there. Seems like it already got replaced. Here a rotary Goodman. It's that one back there. One of those back there has a rotary. And that looks like a 38 CKC or something. I don't know what that was. Here we got another condo complex. There's a Ream and then I think another smart comfort. And there was one unit like back there somewhere that sounded really nice, but I couldn't see it. There's a Goodman and Duquesne. And I don't know what this thing is. Never seen it running before. Might be an older Grand Air. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's probably an older Grand Air. And these two are like silent. There's an Amana and a Goodman. Don't know which one is running though. I think the Goodman is running actually. Then we have Nordyne and a Goodman there. Nordyne's running. It's very quiet. I can barely even hear it though. Oh wait, no, there's these units. This is a Grand Air and the brand new Zenith Tuto Cool. Almost looks like a Ream or something, or an aux box or something. I don't know what it is. And that Grand Air is like the ones that we have, but it's a tiny one. Here we have might be another one of those same units there. No, that's an iAir and a mini Grand Air. Yeah, I never heard of that brand before. And finally we got Ream. Some kind of Ream and a Comfort Air or something. Yeah, and the other units are kind of hard to get to around this complex, so I think that'll be it for now. Here are these units again. I don't know if you may remember these ones. This place looks like it's closed. So here we got Oh yeah, there was a Train XR, and there was a York. Wait, is that no? That one has that one has a scroll. I think something just started up actually. It might have been one of these. I think I actually went to these before. 2 carriers and a ring. And oh, there are still. That Linux is not on. There are still some of these ones. Some of these old. Oh, what? That has a scroll in it. Yeah, I think that one had a scroll in it, and I can't put data on it. Yeah, I don't know what year these are from. Shit, just tripped over a wire. Jeez, that's dangerous. I don't think this one has been running though. And yeah, I don't know what those are. They're like old, like BDPs or something. This Linux is not running right now. There's literally lizards everywhere. Here are these 2 Lieberts, and I don't know what compressors they have. Just carrier Gemini. Can't see the compressor in it. And there's, I think that's a 38 CKC back there, and also a bunch of carriers, and 2 Lennox T classes. I think they are T class, but I'm not sure. Anyways. Onto the other side. Wait, something just turned on. Here, these units. This is a Liebert as well. I've never actually been able to get around those things. But all of these carriers are running. That's a Nordon, but the Liebert is not running. And there's a carrier. And the data is faded on it. Here we have some carrier comforts at a nursery, I think. I think this is like a nursery kind of thing. And I'm not going to go too close because there's cameras, but yeah, there's 3 of them there. And there's also 3 on the other side, I think. These ones I can actually get to. I think it's a Copeland scroll. One also is a Copeland scroll. This is from 2017 and from 2016. And this one has a big scroll compressor in it. And I don't know if any of these other ones have been running. I hear something really noisy. It's coming from across the road, I think. From like over there somewhere. Or maybe there's a chiller in here, I don't know. Whee! Huh? Oh, in here there's maybe a chiller. Oh, there's 2 train chillers here. It's the ones that have scrolls in them. I don't know how well you can see that though. That's what that noise was. Yeah. 2 train chillers in there. Here's another view of those chillers. They're noisy. They sound nice though, but I could hear them from all the way across the road. Jeez, those things are loud. This is a Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim ductless unit. I'll decode that later. I have no idea how to read this. And this is a... yeah, I don't know. This is from 2013. This is like a VRF kind of thing. I think it says Ingersoll Rand. So I guess it's a train then. And I think the chiller is for this building here. Because there's no like central air conditioning and stuff inside the parking garage. And that thing is so noisy. All the way over there. I found this thing. It is an Orgelfluss. I found an Orgelfluss. It kind of sounds like a semi-hermetic compressor, but I don't think that's what it is. I have no idea what this is. Here's this Goodman running. I think I already filmed it on a rotary compressor. Totally sweaty, it's condensating. And the year is too hard to read. And I would go to the other units around here again, but as you can see, it's getting dark. And I wouldn't even be able to see anything back there if I go back there, so I don't feel like going back there. Maybe another time.